Today, we're embarking on a journey deep into the labyrinth of finance, where we'll unveil startling revelations that could revolutionize your perception of money forever. Have you ever felt like the financial system is rigged against you? Well, you're not alone. Prepare to have your worldview shattered as we uncover the dark underbelly of finance and expose the secrets that the elite don't want you to know. The dark side of big banks. Enter the shadowy world of big banks, where profits reign supreme and everyday consumers are mere pawns in a high-stakes game. Discover how these financial behemoths manipulate markets, exploit regulatory loopholes, and prioritize their own bottom line at the expense of the average Joe. The shocking truth about debt. Dive headfirst into the treacherous waters of debt, where millions find themselves drowning in a sea of obligations. Uncover the insidious tactics employed by credit card companies and predatory lenders to keep you shackled to your debts, and learn how to break free from the cycle of financial bondage. The dirty secrets of investing. Think the stock market is a fair playing field? Think again. Journey with us into the murky depths of investing, where insider trading, market manipulation, and clandestine dealings run rampant. Arm yourself with the knowledge to navigate this treacherous terrain and safeguard your hard-earned assets. The conspiracy of financial education. Why is financial literacy a rare commodity in our educational system? Peel back the layers of deception and discover the shocking truth behind the lack of financial education. Empower yourself with the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial destiny and break free from the chains of ignorance. Conclusion. Prepare to have your mind blown, because the truth may be shocking, but ignorance is far more dangerous. Take the reins of your financial future, arm yourself with knowledge, and join us on the quest for financial enlightenment. If this video has opened your eyes to the realities of finance, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Together, we can shatter the illusions of the financial world and pave the way to a brighter, more prosperous future. Until next time, stay woke and stay wealthy.